Well, good morning, everyone. I think it's still morning. On my way back from town, I decided that I was going to go down the nature trail a little bit and see what it will be like if I decide to hike it before I leave here. So let me show you a little bit of it. Okay guys, I'm going to go down this nature trail a little bit and see what, not necessarily what's at the end, but what it's like out here. So maybe when I'm dressed for a hike, I might go ahead and take it. But right now I got my flip-flop. Did you see that butterfly? They follow me everywhere. Okay, he's in here. He's in here. Look at him. Oh, I love it. Okay, well, I'll get right back with you. All right, I'm going to turn right here because it says Nature Trail in this direction. And then also the sign says Nature Trail. So I'm going to follow it for a little bit. Let's see where it takes me. Pretty cool. Hush up, guys. What's really bad is that, you know, if I had my sneakers on, that probably chances of being that I don't have them on. With flip-flops, no, I don't know what's out here, and I'm not walking around with my flip-flops. Now it says over there, Nature Trail is going to the left here. So I'm going to go down here, but I'm going to back her out because truthfully I don't know. Oh, I got a butterfly on my hand right now. They love me and I love them. Oh yeah, there's a good spot right here where I could turn. Actually, it's a good spot to go ahead and park at if you want to walk through there. Okay, well, I'm going to let you all go. And before I do, I want to show you something. See what I mean? They love me. I don't know what it is about butterflies, but they love me. Okay, guys. It's going to be a little shaky because I'm trying to get in front of this tree. At the beginning of the video, you'll see a picture of it. But what's really strange about it is it is two different types of trees. Yeah. Tree on the right is one kind, the tree on the left is another. And there are branches coming out of the tree on the left that are not the same leaves as the tree on the left initially has. Really weird, weird, weird. I just thought I'd give you a glimpse of it. I could not believe it when I saw it, that it's actually two trees grafted into one. You saw the butterflies. The one that was on my hand, the one that came into the car and fluttered around me. Let me tell you a story. You can believe it or not, it's up to you. I always liked butterflies. I mean, I always thought they were beautiful, and that's okay. You know, it's a nice, pretty butterfly. But I never had any of them be attracted to me like they are now. This all began 2 years ago when my husband passed away. Shortly after he passed away, I was sitting outside in the yard thinking about him and our life. And this beautiful, bright, butter yellow butterfly came up to me and lighted on my knee. And I thought, wow, that's strange. It's not afraid of me. It's just sitting there. It fluttered its wings, and I thought that was really cool. But ever since then, it seems like no matter where I go, there's always butterflies all around me. They like to land on me and just rest themselves for a few minutes, or I should say seconds. All different kinds. They're so beautiful. But, you know, I never really thought about it until a little while ago when I was viewing the video of the nature trail. And it made me think about how every time I think about my husband, butterflies come around me. It's almost like they're trying to bring me peace. It's almost like him saying, hey, I'm still with you. Do not worry, I'm still with you. Can you hear me? Can't you understand? I've never left you. And that's what I feel. That's what I feel sometimes that they're saying. I was just in the van getting some stuff, and all of a sudden, here comes a butterfly. Lands right in front of me, not on me, in front of me, and fluttered its wings. I don't know, maybe I'm just maybe wishful thinking that my husband is just sending me signs. I don't know. We all have different beliefs about death. His and mine were very similar. So I'm just wondering. Anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Oh, and I'm also including another short video of this odd-looking tree that's here on my campsite. And honestly, it looks like two trees grafted together. The bark and all, they're different. But the tree on the left has got like oak leaves, but then they have branches coming out of it that's regular looking leaves. I mean, they don't look like oak. I don't know. They're really a strange tree. But anyway, I thought I would include that just for your entertainment. Just your entertainment. And guys, love, hugs. Don't forget those hugs. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.